For this video, we will be doing the house layout only. The tools we will be using are a 3-point transit and matching tripod, a 50-foot steel tape, layout pins or stakes, and a hammer. First, locate the 2 pre-established pins. Adjust the legs to a proper height. Approximately chin height is the general rule. It's preferable to slightly bend knees as opposed to standing up on your toes. Spread the tripod legs approximately 1 meter apart, making sure lead leg is slightly off the line of sight, leaving room for a steel tape. Step the lead leg into the ground. Remove the transit from the case and attach onto the tripod. Use the other 2 legs to adjust transit over the pin or stake, using your foot to help locate the pin through the optical plummet. Once you're over the pin, step the other 2 legs into the ground firmly. Adjust the legs to approximately level the bullseye. Recheck through the optical plummet that the instrument is still centered on the pin. If adjustment is required, loosen tripod screw and move the transit only front to back or side to side, being sure not to spin the transit. Position the transit level vial over 2 foot screws and adjust the transit screws in pairs, using the thumbs in and thumbs out method until the bubble is centered. Turn the transit 120 degrees and adjust 3rd foot screw, centering the bubble again. Then rotate the transit over the final 2 foot screws and check the transit for level. Recheck through the optical plummet to make sure the pin is still centered under the transit. Reset transit so it reads 0 degrees, then lock upper horizontal motion screw. Sight in the 2nd given point and lock the lower horizontal motion screw. Unlock upper horizontal motion screw and turn the transit 90 degrees. The reading in this case on the vernier scale will read 270 degrees. Sight in point 3 and measure length with a steel tape measure and establish point 3. Move the transit over point 3 and reset. Take a back sight to point 2 and reset the transit to 0 degrees. Turn 90 degrees and sight in point 4. Measure the distance and install the pin. Recheck perimeter measurements and diagonals. For this project, the perimeter measurements were 30 feet by 40 feet, therefore the diagonal is 50 feet. Carefully pack up the transit and tripod.